How to make alarm gradually louder on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. Go to the Hearing section at the top and tap on Audio and Visual. Here, scroll down and go to the Balance section. Over here, you can adjust the audio volume balance between left and right channels. Adjust it according to your preference. Now, go back and tap on Sound and Haptics. Here, you can adjust the volume for ringtones and alerts, choose different haptic behaviors and customize sounds and vibrations for specific events like ringtones, text tones, and more. Go to the Ringtone and Alert section at the top. The volume buttons can be used to adjust the volume of the ringtones and alerts. Drag the button to increase the volume as shown. After that, go back and tap on Apps. Here, scroll down to find and tap on Music. Then, tap on EQ in the Audio section. And then, choose any sound from here. Following these steps, you can easily make alarm gradually louder on iPhone.